According to Sirika, the Minister of Aviation of Nigeria, his country is ready to collaborate with Hungary's Magnus aircraft sector to begin full-scale aircraft production in Nigeria, before the conclusion of Muhammadu Buhari's presidency in 2023. He explained that the partnership's goal is to assemble planes locally from beginning to end. If we go into business with them, we might start with assembling plants and work our way up to manufacturing, Sirika added. The Magnus aircraft, according to Sirika, features an airplane that is suitable for military training, can perform aerobatic maneuvers, and is composed of entirely composite materials that are high in strength and lightweight. Aerobatics, according to the ministry, is the practice of flying movements using aircraft angles not seen in routine flights. Aerobatics is a type of flying that is done in planes and gliders for instruction, amusement, and sport. Sirika also expressed delight with the characteristics and stated that he would be more than prepared to assist with the construction of the planes in Nigeria, stating that one of the major advantages of the Magnus plane is that it runs on regular automobile gasoline and outperforms any railway. The minister, who was at the facility on the invitation of the company, said the proposed partnership with the aircraft manufacturer will be subjected to further analysis to verify the market and government willingness to partner with a significant amount of money and logistics. He emphasized that the local production of aircraft in the country will facilitate the growth of Nigeria as a regional aviation superpower, as it will also come with maintenance and repair facilities that will attract patronage from neighboring countries. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.